gimbal housings out, I can see clearly where she's been leaking. Look at this. This is just rotten. Right there, this is all rotten. Up here looks good. So I might be able to just piece it out, reseal it. But that definitely is the problem right there. So here we are, phase 3 complete. We have all the rotted wood from the transom all out and cleaned up. Lots of grinding. It was fun. We had a leak in the trim pad, or trim cylinder, trim tab. And it started right here, and all this wood was oily, rotten mess, and it kind of just went all the way. The right side is good though, still nice and solid. Stringers are solid. I did a core sample to test, and actually this boat was made with foam all around the stringers, and I had to get some of it out to get back here against the wall that was rotten. But these stringers are nice and dry and sturdy, so I'm not touching them. And tomorrow we hope to put some dry fit cut wood in here and hopefully get her back on the water pretty soon. I'll be in touch. So here we are, day 3, and it might be day 4, I don't remember. But we got the new wood all cut and dry fit for the transom. We went with 3/4 inch. We got 2 layers there, and that'll give us our depth we need for the motor. All looks good. To be continued. Well, here we are. Just removed the clamps on the new transom. She's in there real good and tight. Now I'm about ready to put some peanut butter in the cracks. Fill her out with some 1708.